How to fully uninstall games on PC. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can fully uninstall your games on PC, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to fully uninstall your games on your PC, you have to simply go ahead and first of all open up Control Panel. Because this is the easiest way to do it, open up your control panel and under programs you can see uninstall a program. So all you have to do is click on uninstall a program option there, and once you've done that you will see this information here. Now all you have to do is select a certain program that you want to delete, right click on it and you'll see uninstall, or you can also see uninstall from the very top of the screen, and once you click on it just agree and click on yes and so forth, and that particular game or app or anything will get successfully deleted. This way you can fully uninstall games on PC. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.